Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Crypto exchange Coinbase has introduced a new benchmark for tracking over 50 digital assets, advancing its suite of products for traders and institutional investors overseas. The company unveiled the COIN50 Index, covering major crypto coins and tokens listed on the exchange. Gold prices fell to nearly a 2-month low in the face of a stronger dollar, optimism about economic growth under a second Trump administration, and a broader market pivot following the November 5th US presidential election. Oil prices held near a 2-week low after dropping about 5% over the past 2 sessions, as investors absorbed OPEC's latest downward revision for demand growth, a stronger US dollar, and disappointment over China's latest stimulus plan. The pound-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.9% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.5% during the session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.8% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The dollar-yen pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. Investors should keep a close eye on the economic calendar for the days ahead, which features a mix of high, medium and low impact data releases. Each event has the potential to influence trading decisions and shift market dynamics, making it vital to stay informed. With these updates in mind, it's crucial for investors to adjust their strategies accordingly. The days ahead may see market responses that align with or deviate from expectations.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.